Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to connect hostinage domain to Vercel. So in this video I'm going to take you to step-to-step guide on how you can connect your hostinage domain to your Vercel. So the first thing you have to do is log on to your hostinage. So once you do that, you can just easily access your hostinage account and navigate to the domain section. Once you access your account, the hostinage account, just go straight to your domain section, then select your domain, then choose the domain you want to connect to Vercel and click on manage. Now access your DNS settings. So for you to be able to do that, you can do that in your domain management page. Then find the DNS settings option, then add the Vercel name server, replace the existing name server with Vercel's name servers. Then you can find the Vercel name servers in your Vercel dashboard under the domain settings. After that, save change the updates. Once you save change dates, then log on to your Vercel account. Then once you access your Vercel account, go to the project you want to connect to the domain. Then after that, add the domain. So in the domain, for you to be able to add the domain, in the project settings, find the domain section and add your hostinage domain. Once you do that, follow the verification steps provided by the Vercel to confirm ownership of the domain. After that, once it's verified, configure the domain settings as needed, such as the setting up the redirect or the SSL, and that's it. So your hostinage domain should now be connected to your Vercel project, and that is how you can connect your hostinage to Vercel. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.